Welcome to Create With Us at the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. Today we are going to learn how to make a seed bomb using native plant seeds. First, you will need plant seeds that are native to where you live. This Central Coast mix contains a variety of wildflowers that are beneficial to pollinator species like monarchs, bees, and hummingbirds in the Central Coast area. It is available for purchase in the museum store. Find the link below this video. For this craft, you will also need construction paper, a bowl of water, a blender, and a strainer. Let's get started. First, rip the construction paper into long, narrow strips or small squares, no more than 2 inches thick. Next, place the pieces of paper into a bowl of water and let soak for at least 10 minutes. If you only have white paper or would like to add more color, mix in a few drops of food coloring and let it sit overnight. Once the paper is soggy and falling apart, add the bowl of water and paper into a blender or food processor. Blend into a puree. Feel free to add more water as needed. Drain the paper water mixture using a strainer or colander. Squeeze out additional moisture using your hands, but if you have a cheesecloth, this would also work. After the majority of moisture is removed from your paper puree, gently mix your seeds into it. Once you feel that the seeds are evenly distributed throughout the puree, start to shape it into a ball or a mold. Ice cube trays make great molds. Now that all of your seed bombs are made, let them dry in indirect sunlight for 24 hours. Once they are completely dry, they are ready for planting and even make great gifts. The benefits to planting seed bombs is they can be planted directly into the ground in the winter and early spring. The seeds will be protected from early freezes. Printable instructions can be found beneath this video. Thank you for joining the museum on today's Create With Us. Be sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and check out our social media pages.